bloopers.
Bloop, bloop.
It's bloopity bloopers. Yeah.
3? What does it mean? Let's see.
What?
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 What? Let's see. I was looking for my next line.
Oh.
That wasn't a line. It was me. Now I'm acting.
Okay, this is the real scene 1. Head and Hammock Kid. Yeah. You got enough room there?
Yeah, again. Okay. Need some ballroom. I'm coming. I think my voice is New Jersey. Jersey.
I don't know.
I go to sleep with these on. That sounds terrible.
Otherwise you can't see.
Jersey. New Jersey. Maybe I ought to sound like this. I think I will.
All right.
Okay.
We need to defend this school against these... Oh, no, tonight.
What?
I don't think we want... I don't know. I don't know, no. I did not read the script before I came here today. I don't know what we want with the urine-filled room. That is... Filmed room? Sorry. Last time. Don't hurt yourself.
I did like a skater turn. La 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 la.
You're very delicate. Yes, mistress. What? Bring me pizza and wings. And he won't count any push-ups that aren't full push-ups. And if my feet don't go with what? I'm sinking anyway. I guess maybe we'll get it back when they fix the regular lavatories. Wait, that was stupid. Wait. I meant to say that a different way. Oh yeah, and mop up that douchebag who fell through the moon door. Who knew we even had one? Maybe we'll get it back when they bite it.
Nice job.
Thanks. Maybe we'll get the gymnatorium back when they fix the regular lavatories. I think I wanted to say by the time they fix the regular lavatories.
Jesus Christ.
I did.
Go ahead, do it. Do it again.
I'll do it again.
Take 4.
Yeah. You're not in here yet.
I know. I'm just...
Oh.
I'm make sure I'm in all the way.
You sound funny. I really have to blow my nose.
It's too bad we don't get... Jip.
Ah!
I wonder when we'll get our kids. Damn it! It's a shame we couldn't keep the cats.
Once they have the taste for it, could you say it's too bad?
Sorry,
It's a shame. Sounds a little smart for you.
I know. I was kind of saying it and not looking at the line.
Okay. Maybe by the time they fix the regular lavatories too.
It's a little weird to have the porta potties inside in the cafeteria.
I, for one, was mighty glad to have the blue tortoises. What?
Dagnabbit. It is a little weird to have the porta potties inside in the cafetorium.
I, for one, was mighty glad to see
no,
those.
they have a cafeteria.
It's a
where the lunch lady is.
cafetorium. I guess so.
No, it's just a gymnatorium.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Whoa! Wow, I'm crazy. Never mind. Yeah. Never mind.
This is episode 1, scene 2. Boffin close up.
I definitely smell dill pickles.
Do this in one take.
Ugh. If Helmet Kid's my partner, which he will be, he won't count any sit-ups that aren't full sit-ups. And he won't count any...
Can you do that again?
Bah! Humbug!
Sorry, he was singing again.
Bah! I'm thinking about a lot of things.
Excuse me.
You use your cervix for storage? Shh. Come on, Doink. We have preparations. To the cafeteria for kitchens. What?
I can't help it, it's adenoids!
I don't know what we want with a urine-filled room. Filled!
My abs is starting to hurt.
Sorry.
Yes, mistress.
I wonder when we'll get there.
Yeah.
You make it look easy.
Yeah, I do.
2 is okay. It's not good. But... Whoa, holy macaroni.
Hammerkid! Hammerkid! Hand up! Shit,
What?
fuckers! Hand up!
Holy Macedonia. Let's go. Sorry. I ran into your helmet. Okay, hold on. You want a bad phone? From Petticoat Junction? Holy flatulent gerbils! No, I don't want to do that. Exclamation! This is the worst thing!
Drop the kazoo!
Tuck your tongue in a little. Just a little.
Make sure.
What's my motivation? Ow! Ugh. Abuse, okay. One more time?
Yeah, do one more.
Squat thrusts are coming.
Thank you, Mr. Shatner.
Welcome! Ha 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 ha! Shh, shh, shh.
What?
Walk out of the shot.
Oh, shit.
It smells like matzah.
To work out. Why'd I do that? I don't know. Oh, my pubes! Okay, the truth. We were there waiting for our chance to take over the lab and the throne. Why'd I say it like that? I don't know. What do you want? Why were you in the gymatorium? I'm free! It's magic. I don't know how I laugh. Ah! What do you want? She all right?
Jeez, I can't see a goddamn thing now. Oh, sorry.
Where are you going?
I didn't know how far we were going.
I'm ready to sit meekly by.
We're right at the beginning.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was looking for where we were. Haven't had my caffeine today.
Yeah.
What do we do now?
Wait, she just got yanked into the thing, so you maybe want to go over that way.
Oh!
Wait, do it again, because I was still explaining.
Oh, sorry.
Okay,
How was that?
good.
Okay.
We're almost out of battery.
Where's my skin?